Hi, I'm Carlo Oviedo, and I'm going to show you the SelfMade box. It's a branding solution for the busy entrepreneur. So if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, manager, director, pretty much if you have access to your company's logo, this is a great box for you to receive monthly influx of really dope products that's customized with your logo. I created SelfMade pretty much because all of my friends would call me and say, "Hey Carlo, I want some apparel." And most of them are owners of construction companies, cleaning companies, and so on. And I would say, "Sure, no problem, let's do it. What do you want?" And they would always reply back saying, "Something cool, I don't know." So SelfMade pretty much eliminates that and just gives them a flow of cool products with their logo on. And if they like anything inside of this box, they can always reach out to us and get a production flow. So order 12, 24, 50 pieces. So I'm going to show you, this is the January box. I'll open this one up. It usually comes with up to 3 products depending on the value of the piece. This one I believe has 3 products. First we have a awesome snapback hat here. Snapback hat. Has a mesh back. It's the first product. Second is this quilted flannel. Perfect for a day like today, -50 in Chicago. Warm me up. Again, this would be your logo embroidered or screen printed. We're showcasing Culture Studios brand today. And then lastly, we did a co-branding piece with Carhartt. And this is a long sleeve pocket tee, and where we did the logo to match that Carhartt orange. So every month, the product that comes inside of the box is a surprise to you. So you really don't know what's going to come. It could be a snapback hat, it could be apparel like this, or promotional products like a water bottle or notebooks. So take a look at it, selfmadeclub.net, and check it out. Let us know what you think.